Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by creating and protecting keys. Generate an asymmetric key pair and immediately place the private key in an HSM or secure vault so it never sits in plain text. Once done, pick your symmetric cipher, AES-GCM or CHA 20 Poly 1305 for file-level encryption, and add the chosen crypto library to your project dependencies. Make sure to script deterministic key derivation and include an automated build step in CI that can call the HSM or vault without exposing secrets. You now implement the middle layer. Automate artifact encryption in CI and sign every encrypted release so integrity is verifiable. Use envelope encryption. Encrypt code blobs with a generated symmetric key, then encrypt that key with your asymmetric master key stored in the HSM, because this separates concerns and simplifies rotation. Make sure runtime decryption occurs under least privilege using ephemeral keys or short-lived tokens, and, when available, require platform attestation or process identity checks before releasing decrypted code into memory. Finish by deploying only encrypted artifacts and enforcing decryption in approved, audited environments, never on developer machines. Once done, implement key rotation policies, test restore procedures frequently, and keep encrypted rollback snapshots to recover from failed updates. If you encounter decryption errors, first confirm the correct key version and path, then check permissions and system clocks, and finally validate signatures and nonces, mismatched timestamps. Missing key access or altered artifacts are the most common culprits and often resolve quickly when corrected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.